Imagine a car so rare, so expensive, that only a handful of people on Earth will ever see it in person. We're not talking about supercars you see on Instagram every day. These machines are rolling pieces of art, each one costing more than private jets, mega yachts, or entire mansions. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most expensive new cars in the world, from multi-million-dollar masterpieces to one-of-a-kind legends. And trust me, the number 1 car will blow your mind. Starting at number 5, the Bugatti Centodieci. Price tag, around $9 million, just 10 units exist, and every single one sold out almost instantly. This car was built as a modern tribute to Bugatti's iconic EB110 from the 90s. With its quad-turbocharged W16 engine pushing 1,600 horsepower, the Centodieci rockets from 0 to 60 in just 2.4 seconds. That's faster than the time it takes to blink twice. But here's the real flex. It's not just speed, it's exclusivity. Bugatti didn't just design a car, they created an investment on wheels. Only 10 people in the entire world will ever own one. And if you're wondering who, well, let's just say you're more likely to meet a billionaire in space than on the street driving one of these. And if you think 9 million is insane, wait until you see number 4. At number 4, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta price range, between $15 and $18 million. Only 3 units were ever built. Horacio Pagani, the genius behind the brand, created this car as the ultimate farewell to the legendary Zonda line. Every detail is handcrafted, from the titanium exhaust system that sings like an orchestra, to the exposed carbon fiber bodywork that looks like it belongs in a museum. And the design, no roof, just pure freedom. The driver feels like they're wearing the car, not sitting inside it. It's not just a car, it's a sculpture. One of the 3 belongs to Horacio Pagani himself. The other 2, let's just say they vanished into private collections, likely never to be seen again, which makes this one of the rarest cars on Earth. But the next car isn't just rare, it's a one-off Bugatti that rewrote history. Number 3. The mysterious Bugatti Le Voiture Noire. Translation, the black car. Price between $18 and $19 million. And here's the kicker, only one exists. Bugatti created this masterpiece as a modern tribute to the legendary lost Type 57 SC Atlantic from the 1930s. The design is sleek, black, and almost sinister, like something a billionaire supervillain would drive. Under the hood, it's the same 1,500 horsepower W16 engine that Bugatti is known for, but here, it's wrapped in an all-carbon fiber body sculpted entirely by hand. For years, people speculated about who bought it. Rumors pointed to soccer legends and royalty, but the identity remains a closely guarded secret. What we do know, whoever owns this car isn't just driving it, they're holding a piece of automotive history that will never be replicated. And if that sounds crazy, wait until you hear about the Rolls-Royce masterpieces worth more than $25 million. At number 2, we leave the world of hypercars and enter pure luxury, the Rolls-Royce Boattail, priced somewhere between $25 and $28 million. Only 3 units exist in the entire world. The design is inspired by luxury yachts. The rear of the car literally opens up into what Rolls-Royce calls a hosting suite, complete with a champagne cooler, cocktail tables, and even parasols for shade. Yes, this car comes with its own luxury picnic setup. But what makes the Boattail truly legendary is the craftsmanship. Each one takes over 4 years to build, with every detail tailored to the owner, from custom paint to hand-dyed leather. It's more than a car, it's a return to the golden age of coach building, reborn in the 21st century. And with only 3 in existence, it's not just luxury, it's an investment. Every Boattail is coach-built, meaning no 2 are the same. The clients were directly involved in designing their cars, making each one a personal statement of wealth and style. Owning this car isn't about speed, it's about status. When you see a Boattail, you're not just looking at a car, you're looking at the pinnacle of custom luxury. But none of these come close to number 1, the most expensive new car in the world, valued at over $30 million. And finally, number 1, the Rolls-Royce Le Rose Noire Droptail, price an eye-watering $32 million. And here's the thing, there's only one in existence. This car was unveiled in 2023 and immediately became the most expensive new car ever built. Inspired by the black Vaccaro Rose, it features a stunning 2-tone design, deep black and rich crimson. The interior includes over 1,600 pieces of wood veneer hand-assembled over nearly 2 years. It's powered by a twin-turbo V12, but here, performance isn't the point. The La Rose Noire is about pure art. It's a celebration of craftsmanship, design, and exclusivity. A car that exists for one family, one collector, one story. In short, this isn't just the most expensive car in the world. It's the crown jewel of automotive history. So there you have it, the top 5 most expensive new cars in the world. Each one rarer, faster, or more luxurious than the last. But here's the question. If money was no object, which one would you take home? Drop your pick in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more incredible tech and luxury content. Who knows? The next video might just feature the future car of your dreams.